If your LG dishwasher is acting up or flashing those mysterious error codes, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to reset your LG dishwasher step by step and fix most common error codes easily, quickly, and without calling a technician. So grab a cup of coffee and let's fix this together. First of all, why should you reset your dishwasher? A reset can help clear out temporary glitches, software errors, or false error codes like OE, LE, FE, AE, and more. It's like giving your dishwasher a fresh start. Step 1. Press the power button to turn off the dishwasher. Step 2. Unplug the dishwasher from the wall outlet. If it's hardwired, turn off the circuit breaker. Step 3. Wait for about 10 to 15 minutes. This gives the system time to discharge completely. Step 4. Plug it back in or turn the breaker back on. Step 5. Press the power button again and start a new wash cycle. That's it. Your dishwasher should be reset. Still seeing an error code? Here are quick fixes for the most common ones. OE drain error. Check for clogged filters or drain hose. LE motor error. Try a reset. If it continues, it might need service. FE overfill error. Check for water inlet valve issues. AE leak error. Check the bottom of the unit for water leakage. Most of these can be fixed just by a reset, but if not, at least now you know what they mean. So, there you have it, the easiest way to reset your LG dishwasher and fix those frustrating error codes. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech fixes